Today I'm going to be teaching Liv how to put her sock on following a left total hip replacement and also following her surgical precautions. So first she's going to put the end of her sock on the open end of the sock aid, and she will bring it about halfway up and then bunch it so that there's no bunches in the toe end. And once it is tight, she'll take both handles and toss it out in front of her. Then put her foot into the sock aid and pull the handles out and then a little bit up. And if there are bunches or if it's not comfortable, she can use a dressing stick to fix any bunches to make the sock more comfortable on her foot.
Okay, so now I'm going to teach Nicole how to use a reacher to put her pants on following a left total hip replacement. So the first thing is how a reacher works. Basically, when you squeeze the end towards your hand, these clamp together so you can pick things up. So she's going to use it to pick up the pants that are on the ground and bring it up to her without bending over. And she's going to spread the pants out so the leg part isn't clumped together. And now she's going to use the reacher and put it between the waistband of the pants, and she's going to put her affected leg in first, which is her left, and she's going to pull the reacher towards her body so the pants go on her leg without her bending over and breaking her precautions. And then the next thing she's going to do is put her non-affected leg in the other hole, and she can bend that one because it wasn't affected. And then once it's up as high as she can go, we're going to grab her walker and now she's going to stand up by pressing her hands on the chair and then standing up and grabbing the walker, and then she's going to pull her pants up using the walker as balance so she doesn't tip over and she's still not bending her leg. And then once they're on and comfortable, she can sit back down by putting her hands on her chair, and she's ready to go.